Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be covering the next topic of our class 12 psychology, that is intelligence. So intelligence is a key construct employed to know how individuals differ from one another. Here what we are saying is that intelligence is a major feature which makes an individual different from other people. Okay. सो इंटेलिजेंस हम कह सकते हैं कि एक इंसान के अंदर का एक ऐसा फीचर है जो उसे दूसरों से बहुत अलग बनाता है. सो फर्स्ट साइकोलॉजिस्ट हु वर्कड ऑन इंटेलिजेंस was Alfred Binet. Alfred Binet was the first psychologist who worked on intelligence. He gave us two things. First of all, he gave the first intelligence test. Okay, first intelligence test was given by Alfred Binet. His intelligence test was called as Binet-Simon scale. Binet-Simon scale, as I have written also, and but there was a drawback of this scale, that it wasn't applicable to all. The next up is that Alfred Binet also conceptualized intelligence. If this question comes up in your exam, do write these 2 points for sure. You have to write them. Okay. Next up, Wechsler's definition of intelligence. Wechsler's definition of intelligence is actually widely used definition. Okay, it's a widely used definition. So what he says is that intelligence is a global and aggregate capacity of an individual to think rationally, act purposefully, and to deal effectively with his or her environment. वेस्लर क्या कहते हैं कि इंडिविजुअल के अंदर की एक कैपेसिटी है, इंटेलिजेंस इंडिविजुअल के अंदर की एक कैपेसिटी है जो उसे सही और गलत में फ़र्क करने के लिए इट वी कैन से मोटिवेट्स. ओके, इंटेलिजेंस, इफ़ अ पर्सन इज़ इंटेलिजेंट, ही और शी विल डेफिनेटली बी एबल टू कोप अप विद हिज और हर एनवायरमेंट and deal with it. Okay, and even that individual will act purposefully, like where it's needed to act, he will react over there. If it's not needed, he or she will not. So for now only this much. If you guys need more concepts like this to be completed, then let me know in the comment section. Thank you.